Are you letting your side hustle money slip through your fingers? Many people earn extra cash, only to see it vanish. Today that changes. You'll learn to turn every extra dollar into real wealth using the SWEET framework. The common mistake is spending immediately or investing randomly. This leads to stalled progress and financial stress. But a structured system can fix this on autopilot. SWEET stands for simple, useful, inspiring, timely, and empowering. It's a practical filter for your financial decisions, especially when you're busy. We'll cover 3 clear steps. 1. Reinvest smartly. 2. Automate your savings. And 3. Diversify your income streams. No guesswork, just a repeatable system. For example, you can allocate a $60 payout with intention, $30 back to the hustle, $18 invested, and $12 for a small reward. Small consistent actions like this compound into real wealth. By the end, you will have a clear plan to start growing your side income today. Ready to deploy step 1? Let's reinvest with intention. Reinvest 50% of your side hustle income into the business engine. Tools, skills, and marketing fuel future earnings. Consistent reinvestment compounds faster than occasional bursts. Even $50 per month builds momentum. A better microphone, faster shipping supplies, or a template that saves hours. Which portion can you reinvest this week? 10, 20, or 50%? Pick a number you can sustain for 3 months. Set a recurring transfer to your business account on payout day, so the decision happens automatically. Allocate 30% to investments like broad market ETFs or index funds. Your money should work while you sleep. Use auto-invest features on your brokerage app to schedule recurring buys after each payout hits. Micro tip: start with a conservative ETF, then review quarterly. No daily tinkering, just steady accumulation. Keep 20% for personal enjoyment. Motivation matters for consistency across long stretches. Even a small treat can recharge you and prevent burnout. Remember, SWEET is empowering. Structure without deprivation keeps you engaged and proud of progress. Rewarded habits become sticky. Sticky habits compound. The goal is sustainable velocity, not perfect restraint. What small reward will reinforce your next payout? Pick it now to remove decision fatigue later. Cap impulse buys by pre-allocating the 20% pot. Enjoy it fully. Stop when it is done. By automating her savings, Jane removed willpower from the equation. Within a year, she built 3 income streams: the core hustle, index investments, and a small digital product. Small steps, monthly, created noticeable growth. Consistency, not luck, produced durable results. Micro example: a $200 payout split as $100 reinvest, $60 invest, $40 reward, repeat 12 times. Your version may be smaller or larger. Repeatability matters most. Which reinvestment strategy could you start this week? Tools, ads, or training? Choose one, set a date. Even $20 can set a strong foundation. Momentum loves modest, repeatable actions. Align with your next milestone: first 10 customers, first $500 saved, or first digital listing posted. Block a 15-minute slot after your next payout to execute the reinvestment, and log it. Step 1, done. Let us automate savings so your plan runs while you work. Step 2 is automating your savings. Set direct deposit splits so your income automatically routes into your business, investment, and reward buckets on payday. Create simple rules like 50% to your business account, 30% to your brokerage, and 20% for personal fun. Run these transfers immediately after funds clear to avoid spending drift. For example, a $300 payout auto-splits to $150 for business, $90 for investments, and $60 for enjoyment. No manual taps needed. Next, use your brokerage or robo-advisor to schedule recurring ETF buys. Pick a fixed amount and date, weekly or monthly, aligned to your deposits. Automation removes emotion, anchoring you to the plan. Remember Sam's $100 per month? He tapped once, then let the system run. Set your first auto buy now. Future you will thank you for the quiet compounding. Also, enable budget alerts to catch overspending before it derails your investing. Gentle nudges beat end-of-month surprises. Set category caps, like for food, fun, or tools, so your reward pot stays fun without stealing from your growth goals. A great micro tip is to rename your accounts with their purpose: growth, fun, ops. These words nudge your behavior every time you open the app. And finally, remove friction. Save bank logins and favorite transfer templates. Fast steps are repeated steps. So, which automation will you implement today? Direct deposit splits, auto invests, or category alerts? Pick one action. Momentum grows from completion, not intention. Block 5 minutes after this video to set it live. Next, we'll diversify your income streams to multiply your stability and upside. First, add a freelance service. Define one clear offer, price, and outcome. Clarity sells. Ship a simple portfolio this week and time box delivery to protect your capacity. For example, a $75 logo cleanup with a 48-hour turnaround. It's repeatable and referable. What service can you deliver in under 3 hours? Start there. Second, create digital assets like templates or checklists that sell while you sleep. Target a painful micro problem and deliver a fast, elegant solution. Start with a low-ticket $9 to $29 offer to validate demand, then iterate from feedback. For example, a $15 Notion tracker that logs payouts automatically. Fast value, easy to share. What file could you ship by Friday? Name it now. Third, add low-effort assets, gear rentals, parking, storage, or fractional investments. Calculate the payback period and buy assets that repay fast. Protect the downside with deposits or insurance. For example, a camera lens rental that pays for itself in 3 months at 40% utilization. Which asset fits your skills and budget? Start with one small de-risked option. Let's see this in action. Alex freelances 5 hours weekly, sells a $19 template, and rents a mic on weekends. Monthly, that's $400 from freelance, $95 from digital sales, and $60 from rentals, for a total of $555 in side income. He splits it, 50% to reinvest, 30% to invest, and 20% for fun. The system repeats without extra decision-making. Micro tip: pin a monthly review. Keep what works, prune what lags, and double down on winners. Diversification multiplies stability. If one stream slows, others carry the load. Which stream will you add first? Freelance, digital product, or a small rental? Define a one-sentence offer and a mini milestone you can ship in 7 days. Tell someone your launch date, then ship regardless of perfection. Let's lock in the key takeaways, and your first action. Reinvest smartly, automate savings, diversify income streams, the sweet way to grow with clarity. Simple. 3 steps. Useful. Higher retained earnings and invested dollars each month. Inspiring. Visible progress. Timely. Actions in minutes, right after payouts. Empowering. You control the knobs, percentages, cadence, and guardrails. Micro example. Today's $40 gig becomes $20 reinvest, $12 invest, $8 reward. Repeat next payout. Small, consistent actions today create big results tomorrow. Which step will you start this week? Reinvest, automate, or diversify? Choose one now. Action beats planning. The perfect plan tomorrow loses to a basic system today. Commit to 5 minutes after this video. One rule, one transfer, one listing. Tell a friend your pick. Momentum loves witnesses. Sweet, simple, useful, inspiring, timely, empowering. Your compass for every money choice. Let us wrap with quick next steps. If this helped, like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a sweet strategy. Join our newsletter for exclusive templates and micro tips you can deploy in minutes, and check our Jun 1 short, a quick tip to avoid spending your side hustle profits. See you there.